Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe how you can apply for partner of a student work visa for New Zealand. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is just to show you how to navigate through a service. Whatever information and whatever entries you see in this video may or may not apply to your case. So take your decision as per your case, not exactly what you see in this video. So first of all, what this visa is and for whom this is. So basically, if it is granted to you, you are allowed to work. But it is allowed to whom? Who has a partner who is studying in New Zealand towards a level 7 or 8 qualification on their long-term skill shortage list, or level 9 or 10 qualification. Okay. And with this is kind of open work visa where you don't need a job offer to apply, and you get the length is going to be the same as per your partner student visa. You can join your partner in New Zealand, you can work in New Zealand, and you can study up to 3 months, and this is open. You can apply for it. So in order to apply, you click on apply now, and then you go to Realme account. Okay, so first you need to create a login for yourself. If you don't have, you need to create, because I have, so I'm going to enter and I'm going to log in. Alright guys, so when you log in, on the first page you get options which visa you are going to apply. So there are various links. You will get a link for work visa, you will get a link for partner or child visa. For this particular category, we will click on partner or child visa, because this is like partner of a student, right? So and then you get right to work. So we will use that link. So using that link, we have reached to this page, and now here, are you applying for a visa as a partner or child of one of the following? So student visa is a visa holder, so I select yes, and then we are gonna answer, do you have a MasterCard? So you need to answer as per your case. Okay, don't see exactly what I am doing. Are you a stressed person? No. If I am, why will I apply? Start my application. Wait a few seconds. Yes. So this is the first section. You need to put your your details. Okay, these are very simple details. Whatever is applicable in your case, that you need to do. Then other name if applicable. These two, okay. Where birth information, travel document details. This is if applicable. If you have other citizenship, current partnership status. If you have done this, select yes. If not, no. Current address, telephone, email, group application, I select no. Whatever is applicable in your case. And then we got to click on continue. So I'm going to put some sample information here. What is asking which one, so I select this. You need to enter as per your case, and I'm gonna click on continue. No more questions, so that's why I have some patience. So this one we are applying, partner link together in general. Okay, now it is coming. How does your partner set a visa status allow them to support this visa application? Okay, I select this one because we read in the criteria these two, right? How long you plan to stay in New Zealand? Total employed time you have already spent in New Zealand. I select this one, whatever the applicant gives. Supported, I have sufficient for my sponsor financial supporting my stay. Okay. Provide details of relationship with your supporting partner. Are you currently living together in New Zealand? Have you been living together for past? Then you need to provide details. If you're, I mean, you can say that husband is gone to New Zealand and that's why you are not living together. Whatever is your case, like it varies case by case. If you are already in New Zealand, then yes. If you are living in India and he's gonna go to New Zealand, then yes, like that. Have you been living together for 12 months? I select. You can say that why I have entered in this combination. This is just a sample. You need to enter as per your case. Your partner been together for the same period of time. Yes. Are you close relatives? No. Oh, I want to select no. You can click on it and you can understand why I selected no. Oh, I think this will give me an error because I left this mandatory field. Okay, next is supporting person details. So supporting person is a person who says, okay, so in this case your husband who already has a student visa, how is this person related to you? This person is my, so his details, so name, date of birth, title, passport detail, country information. So I'm gonna put some sample. Okay, now your health information, be very careful. I'm just putting no, but you need to provide the information as per your case. Have you visited, lived on more or lived for more than 3, where have you visited or lived for more than 3 months within last 5 years? So let's say this applicant has not gone out of India, so only India, but whatever is the case. Have you previously provided access service? Have you previously provided? No. When you applied for last visa, I have not asked about medical information. Okay, fine. And I'm going to click on continue. Whatever is applicable in your case, you need to do. Not. And now character requirements. I'm going to select no for all because this is a sample video, but you need to read, understand, read this portion, and then you need to answer. I'm going to click on continue. Now this is about work history. Are you currently working? I select no because I assume like she is a housewife, but whatever is applicable in your case. And I'm going to click on continue. Do you have any contact in New Zealand? So yes, because like her husband is there, but this is a sample video just to navigate through this screen. I'm selecting no, but because she is going, she already has a contact, right? Husband at least. So but for the sample video I'm selecting no, but you can understand, right? I explained already. Apply on me. Are you completing the form of someone else? No, she is doing on her own, so I know. Have you received immigration advice? I select no, whatever is applicable in your case. Click on continue. So now we have reached the upload section. The passport style photograph of, okay, photograph, relevant pages of passport, identification if applicable, not in English then translation, sponsorship form, ISN 1025, evidence relationship. With information you must provide, she needs medical test, either physician submitting. Okay. Did your physician supply your medical reference code? If you select yes, they may ask you to provide that. Evidence your genuine stable relationship, evidence living with partner, provide a timeline of your relationship. Okay, and if you don't understand that, you need help, you can click on it. It's gonna give you more information. Key dates in relation of anyway. Okay. Photo page of your partner's passport or travel document, complete form for partner supporting, temporary entry application. If you want to provide more documents, you can click here and you can provide them. And after this upload documents, you have declaration, payment. So the sample videos, I'm not going in declaration and payment section, but you have got the idea, right? Here you can add additional documents what you got. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. And again, this is a sample video. Lot of steps I skipped because I just wanted to show you the service. But when you do the service actually for yourself, you need to enter each and everything as per your case and not what you see here. Thanks for watching.